Today I'm going to be showing you the new chicken leg, the vegan chicken leg that I bought in Manhattan. It's a non-GMO soybean. Cholesterol already in minute and delicious. So it's the pack that it came in, and you can buy this at Maywa. If you Google Maywa, the store is located in Manhattan. And this is how it looks like. So what you want to do is put your pan on a low heat, and then you want to put your chicken legs in there to fry till they get golden brown. So once it gets brown, you want to go ahead and turn it. Get it brown on both sides. Make sure your heat is on low. I'm gonna let this cook. So my chicken leg is finished. So today I'm gonna have my chicken leg with some fried rice. If you like this video, click your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.